winter in Kentucky, there's always that clear blue sky with white fluffy clouds. Kentucky is the first state in which I visit and fall in love with 25 years ago. And every day when I look up in the sky, it reminds me of how fortunate I am to have visited Kentucky 25 years ago and have chosen to stay here and make Kentucky my hometown. Where are we headed today? Well, we are headed to a new Thai restaurant in the area. So here we are. Take a look at the decor, the colors. What do you think? I think this is very charming, inviting, and somewhat homey. Look at all those decor. Don't that just reminds you of somewhere in the Orient? It does for me. Not only that, but this Thai restaurant feature authentic dishes on the menu. Well, at least that's what it says on their website. On this day, we were very fortunate to have our granddaughter come with us and visit this restaurant for the very first time. We're here doing brunch. Trong nụ nọ của tụi chị ư tụi chị lời cho dấu cho mò nhon để lưu lan thái nọ là nhỏ có khí lý trâu lý để xứ chị nụ nọ cho nụ thị và ư tụi sao lời cho dấu cho mò chị ta lên để nụ nọ ư họ cho ư tụi sáng dự là ư tụi tí sĩ thế lưu lan nọ nếu những dòng câu cơ nếu mình mê ta sẽ nếu dòng câu lời cho út cho nó để là muốn decorate lu lá nó là những rong câu thia cái sự là lần đầu một sai cho dấu cho món nó sẽ bận gì cả trong này thia và cho trong này lúc xí hở và nên là ba của cho lúc xí hở nó. As you can see, there are plenty of empty tables. We're going to start off with some drinks. I'm going to try the Thai iced tea, and my husband's going to order his favorite drink, the Thai coffee. The Thai tea to me is more of a dessert drink. Our entree consists of the ground pork with herbs and spices, followed by a classic papaya salad with long beans, tomatoes, and other spices, and top it up with peanuts. The pad Thai dish, which is also another classic Thai dish. Last but not least, the Thai sticky rice. A few years back, we went to an upscale local restaurant where they offer sticky rice on the menu. The restaurant was an American restaurant, offering a few Asian fusion dishes on the menu. When the waitress came out with the dish, she brought out the sticky rice and a sauce on the side. When I first tried the rice, it was just a regular rice. So my first impression was they brought out the wrong rice. After talking to the waitress, she went in the back, consulted with the chef, came back out and suggested that I pour the sauce over the rice to make it sticky. That's how they named the dish sticky rice. Well, I was confused because I was expecting sticky rice, and here they are, gave me regular rice with sticky sauce and call it sticky rice. Well, after chatting with the waitress, she didn't realize that there is such thing as sticky rice, where you just cook it and it come out sticky. So for this Thai restaurant, our overall experience was very positive. I would give it a rating of 9 out of 10. The appetizer that we had was the egg roll, and although it wasn't quite a classic egg roll, which contained some meat, whether it be chicken or pork, the wrapper was very light and crispy. However, it was also very greasy. Other than that, I think that everything was very, very tasty. And again, the pad thai dish is heavy on the fish sauce. And hopefully you all have enjoyed this experience with us on this winter day. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate your time. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for visiting Hmong Clothes, Accessories, and more.